Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab M9 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System. Now let's tap on Backup. And as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to this Google account section. So let's tap on Add Account to make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill that. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it. And here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Alright, here we've got the section where you can learn about the backup, so you're able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account. Your device will back up the data automatically, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on Turn On. And here we've been transferred to another section connected with the backup, so you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so remove some unnecessary files. Here we've got the backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up. Here the advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges. And basically to finish everything, just tap on Backup now, and your device is backing up your data. As you can see, you will have to confirm it with your screen lock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.